We visited Pretend City in Irvine, a children's museum that's a small-scale city. Pretend City has a model city that's kid-sized. We strolled down the street by the small buildings. We walked inside a miniature Trader Joe's, where we could get grocery items, and scan them at checkout. Next to it is a model garden. There was a model auto repair shop. One area let us get creative with building things from wood boards. There was a beach area, complete with a sand pit. One really interactive space had water tables to play with. There was also an arts and crafts room. Pretend City is a great immersive and interactive museum for toddlers and young children.